In Aristotle's work, The Physics, we have Aristotle taking on the beginnings of his metaphysics. And the term physics comes from the word physis in the Greek, and it means on nature. It means what we know from nature. And Aristotle uses two different ways of expressing this idea. He says some things are better known to us, and that would be the things that we learn from our sensory perceptions. So we're familiar with particular cows or particular horses, and we know about those particular animals. But then he says some things are better known by nature. And what he means by that is that the nature of a cow, or the nature of a horse, or even the nature of what it is to be a mammal, is better known in nature itself. And so we don't come to that merely by sensory perception. We use our sensory perception to ponder, to reflect, to get more familiar with what is better known by nature. Now, recall the principle of dependence. If it did not exist, then the other thing would not exist. Or we could rephrase that. If they did not exist, it would be impossible for the other things to exist. So the idea is that what is known by nature is primary. So things that are known by nature, the nature of a cow, that comes first. And then we are familiar with the nature of particular cows. So keep that in mind as we go on into the details of the physics.